Welcome in, guys. This is what we're going to be dealing with today in a bathroom here. And you say to yourself, wow, I mean, I've got to do the whole, pull the whole wall out. Well, we're going to do a little bit of magic today here. So you're going to see the solution that we have. I'm not going to waste a lot of your time today, but there's more than one way to skin a cat here. You can see there was a lot of water intrusion. That has been fixed from the outside now. So now the cleanup of having to repair this needs to be done. So, you know, my favorite thing working in bathrooms. Oh yeah, I love it. Yes. Working around those floors. Oh yeah. So I suggested they wanted a couple $1,000 to redo that wall. I said we could do a simple solution here and just put a little bit of a, now that you've stopped the water intrusion, we could just put a beadboard cover on it. Just cover it up there. So I'm developing that now. I hope to put down some Cove Base Molding on this beadboard here. And what we're going to do now is I also have a piece, I don't know where it is, for top trim that's going to go on there too, and we're just going to drop that into place as a pre-assembled unit, thus saving $1,940, something like that, and it'll look pretty good. You're going to cut the top piece now that's going to ride atop this beadboard here, and I think that's going to give a nice handsome finish there. So next thing we have to do, I think this is all in place now, our new wall. We're just gonna have to drop it into place. Some people scratched that already. We're just gonna drop it into place, and I've got some construction adhesive for the back of it. There is the finished product, guys, and I also tested it with a new roll of toilet paper to make sure that there would be the clearance here. So that's the difference between a $2,000 fix. This whole wall should probably be redone now that the water intrusion stopped, but this was just the problem of being unsightly. I'll tell you what, it looks pretty good now, doesn't it? Like and subscribe. Roosevelt is on the job again. Woo.